পেছনে ফেলে মন ছুটে চলে দূর মদিনায়। আমারও ইচ্ছে করে মাঝে মাঝে, আমারও ইচ্ছে করে মাঝে মাঝে হারিয়ে যেতে কোনো অজানায়। ওই দূর সীমানায় কোকিলের কুহু কুহু সুরে
Seizure correspondent Peter Lamai contains distressing images. Troops on the streets, a strict curfew, a near blackout of communication. Bangladesh is using all its might to control public anger. Over the past week, students marched on the streets against quotas in government jobs for families of veterans of Bangladesh's war for independence, which some say benefits those close to the ruling party. The police and paramilitary are accused of cracking down on the protests. In this video, verified by the BBC, a young man injured but alive, left on the streets by security forces. He died later, once more than 150 killed. Outside a Dhaka hospital, Shahida Begum, the arms of 16-year-old Imam Hussain, who succumbed to gunshot injuries. My nephew was an innocent child. Why did they kill him in such a brutal way? She cried.